Hello, this is just a test of Screencast-O-Matic for the professional development session. So the equation that I'm going to give is we're going to have y, we're going to do plus 2, it's a bad 2, we're going to make that equal to 5. So just a simple math equation here that we would ask students to walk them through how to solve. Down in 6th grade, we set up a T-chart to show how to solve this. So we want to isolate the variable all by itself. We would subtract 2 from both sides of the equation. Oops, I would get rid of these two. I cancel out. There would be nothing here on the left side of the equation except the variable y. We bring down our symbol, which in this case is an equal sign, and then we do our operation here. We have 5 units. We're taking away 2 of them, and we're left with 3. So y equals 3. Okay? So thank you for watching.